Hey guys, welcome back, and today we are in Juja showcasing this beautiful 3-bedroom bungalow. It is absolutely beautiful, a flat roof design, very modern, going for only 8.5 M for cash buyers. So let's get started with the tour. Let's start with the exterior. So right here where I'm standing, we have a cover-up paved parking for 2 big cars or 3 small cars. You can see it's really beautiful. And on this other side, this is where you have your live fence. This is bamboo. It will grow to be really beautiful, and that's another plot. So there are 12 in total. And guys, this will be a very beautiful estate. So proceeding on to right here in front, you can see some plants, very beautiful, like guys. And on this other side, we do have lush greenery. This will be very beautiful. And guys, you can expand this to be extra parking if you have more cars. And guys, shall we appreciate the facade of this house, guys? How beautiful is that flat roof design? It is absolutely beautiful, very unique as well. So let's get inside. Moving in, right here you have a mahogany door. It is really beautiful. Look at that. And also you have these steps that lead you to the inside. You have your alarm bell like right here, and this very beautiful lighting on both sides. So it is really beautiful, as well as the downlighters. They are so beautiful, so beautiful. Guys, here is our living area, very spacious. Look at all of that space. Very beautiful tile work on the floors. It is really beautiful. And guys, you can see at the end there we have a wall cabinet, TV wall, looking very beautiful. I love the fluted wall design, absolutely beautiful. Now moving on to that side, we do have a nice floor to ceiling window. Almost, it's a really big window, bringing in a lot of natural lighting and air to this space. And above that, we can see the gypsum work looking very beautiful with the snake light inside there, the downlighters looking very good. And on the walls, you can see you do have these wall sconces, really beautiful. They really look good. I can imagine how these look at night. So let's proceed to the dining area. To transition to the dining area, you guys can see we have this very beautiful opening with this mahogany looking thingy. Guys, it looks so beautiful, very grand. So moving on to the dining area. So here is our dining area, same lighting fixture as the sitting room, the snake lighting, the downlighters, very well lit. You can see on this side we have a nice large window, very beautiful, and the same wall sconces, very beautiful. And here we can head on outside. I'll show you that when we finish the interiors. So let's proceed with the kitchen. Guys, 80% of you are not subscribed, and I really don't know why. 80%, a whole 80%. If you just subscribe, it would go a long way. So please like, share, and subscribe, guys. I don't even have other words. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Okay, guys, from the dining, this is the view you get of the kitchen. You have an island, so you can actually place some bar stools over here. And guys, this is another feature that they have not completed yet, but this is where the hand wash basin for the dining will be very unique, and that will work really well. So here you do have some pendant lights. They look so good. Look at that, so unique. And as well, you can see the kitchen also has the gypsum work and a very beautiful track lighting. It looks so good. So the same framework, the same opening, we have it also in the kitchen. It looks very beautiful. And guys, look at all of that cabinet space. I've been told because there was no space for the pantry, you have a lot of cabinet space, and this is where you have space for your double door fridge, your hood. It comes with the house. It's pneumatic, by the way. And here you do have your cooktop and the stove and the oven, but you'll top up for only the oven, 60,000. So moving on, right here you have really beautiful granite countertops. Same thing on this other side, a lot of cabinet space, really good MDF, and this is where you have your double sink. And guys, before I move on to this, you can see this honeycomb design, looking very nice. It is a backsplash. So guys, this is a book I recommend because they have not completed doing the units yet, and it's called Don't Buy That House. It is an insightful book, guide to off-plan house purchase. It will explain everything to you, from like what you need to check, the history of the developer, who are the project execution team, due diligence, service charge, all of those things. It will explain everything to you. So let's proceed with the tour. The bedrooms now. So this hallway leads us to the bedrooms, and you can see it's really modern. And over here you can see they have done the wainscoting. It's a very nice design, looks so good with the same up and down sparklights. They look so nice. So let's proceed to the bedrooms now. Here is the first bedroom, and you can see first thing you see is this floor to ceiling wardrobe. Look at that, very beautiful MDF. Space for your bed is right here. And on this other side, you have this nice large window and this beautiful up and down sparklights. So proceeding to the washroom. The washrooms are really spacious. Look at all of that space. Your washroom is right here, the hand wash basin with a mirror and a very pretty lighting fixture. On this other side, we do have your handheld shower, your rainfall shower head, and a floor drain down there. So proceeding to the second bedroom. Pretty similar to the other one, but on this one you have very interesting lighting fixtures. They can adjust, so you can actually use them as the reading lights. And on this other side we have your wardrobe, floor to ceiling, and a nice large window on this other side. Here is its washroom, pretty similar. Again, the beautiful lighting fixture, the mirror, the hand wash basin, the toilet bowl. This other side you have your towel holder, your nice, very large window, too large for a washroom. And on this side you have your shower area, pretty special. You do have your hand wash basin with a very beautiful faucet and a vanity area. You can store some things there, your WC, and some space here. You can customize it and take this to the other end if that's what you prefer. Let me show you the master bedroom now. Is your master bedroom, quite spacious. This is your space for your bed. You do have these very interesting lights over here, and here are the switches, sockets, double sockets on this side, more on that side, and right here we do have your wall-to-wall wardrobe spacing, very well partitioned. Look at that, so beautiful. Some drawers down there. Right here is your window, and moving on this way we have the ensuite washroom. Here is our washroom, quite spacious, very spacious. Your WC is right here, and here you have your hand wash basin and a vanity area. Guys, you also have a mirror and the same very beautiful light that we saw in the other bedrooms. On this side we have the shower. Look at that, very nice rainfall shower head with a handheld shower. Guys, with this house you're getting very nice large windows even in the washroom. Look at the size of that, it is so large. It is bringing a lot of fresh air inside. So let's go to the terrace. My people, we are almost done with the tour, so stick out to the end. Right here we have the door from the dining area. This leads us to the terrace and also the laundry area. So let's go. We have our laundry area, and you have your provisions for the sockets to put your washing machine if that's what you use. And up here we have a pergola, to cover this. In case you put your washing machine here, you can cover it up. All right, so let's move on. Through this gorgeous turf pavers, we can head on to this staircase that leads us to the terrace. You can see when the grass grows, this will be really beautiful. So let's proceed to the terrace now. Coming off those stairs I've just shown you, we have this tank over here. They are gonna add 1 or 2, so that there are about 3 in total. Instead of the black ones, these are better with pressure, and you receive your water in the house with better pressure. On this other side, you do have a beautiful pergola. I really love pergolas. You can chill here, and I'm not sure, guys, if you can see the view of Kilimambogo from here. It is showing off from that side. And on this pergola right here, you do have some sockets. They will put for you some exterior sockets, those that can handle any climate. And you do have some lighting fixtures. There are more on this other side. They are gonna add some more. So moving on here, and right here you do have this, where your solar will be solar, and then this is for ventilation from the washrooms. And then right here, to add to that aesthetic of the facade, you do have this very beautiful railing going all to this other side. And guys, this is a very beautiful space. So you have even more space on this other side. There is just so much you can do in this rooftop. You can host, I mean, like, look at all the space. It is 145 square meters. So there is just so much you can do. And thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.